Hello children, welcome to math class. We are in block 9, 3D shapes. What is the difference between this box and rectangle? Is box is a 3D shape or a solid shape, whereas rectangle is a 2D shape or flat shape. Today we will draw 3D shapes on a dot paper. Let us do an interesting activity. To doing this activity, you need to take one dot paper. Did you see this dot paper? You can prepare at home. On this dot paper, we are going to draw 3D shapes. First, you need to draw the given shapes on dot paper. One square, A, B, C, D, one square, and one more square, E, F, G, H. Same way, first here A, B, C, D, one rectangle, and one more rectangle, E, F, G, H. Two rectangles. Okay, first you have to count the number of dots on each side of the square. 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. So square means equal sides. And same way here you have to count 5 dots, and this side 3 dots. 5 dots, 3 dots. So both rectangles are same the same way. Both squares are also same. Now you have to label the corners as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the corners. Now we have to draw the lines through that many dots to form the sides of the two squares. Label the corners of the square as shown. Then join the corners of the two squares and two rectangles. So now I am going to join the corners of squares A to E. Then you have to join the corner D and H and C, G. Here B to F. Which 3D shapes formed here? This is a cube. Next, for the rectangle, we have to join the corners D to H, C to G, B to F, A to E. Which 3D shapes we have formed here? Cuboid. What 3D shape did you draw on the dot paper? We drew a cube and a cuboid. How do you know? We can tell by looking at the faces of the shapes. The shape with square face is a cube and the shape with rectangular faces is a cuboid. To draw a cuboid, we first drew one rectangle and labeled it as ABCD. Then we drew another rectangle of the same size behind it and labeled it as EFGH. We then joined the corners as A and E, B and F, A and E, B and F, C and G, and D and H. The same way you have to prepare at home. Here to draw cube, we first drew one square, label it as ABCD, A, B, C, D. Then we drew another rectangle, another square of the same size behind it and label it as EFGH. We then join the corners as A to E, B to F, D to H, E to G. And this is the name of these shapes, 3D shapes. This is cube, C-U-B-E, cube. And this is cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Same way, you need to do this activity at home and send me the pic.